A repeating shape pattern can give a product advertisement a recognizable visual style without taking attention away from the product. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a simple background, then go to the Elements panel and select a basic shape that matches your design style. Duplicate the shape several times and arrange the copies into a repeating pattern across the background. Adjust their size, spacing, color, and transparency so the pattern remains subtle and doesn't compete with the main content. Upload your product image and place it above the patterned background in the most noticeable position. Add a bold advertising headline, a short product description,